So, yeah, so today is August 19th, Wednesday, August 19th, and this is about what I did today. Today is day 28th of building Microsoft Web. I made another video just now, just before I started this, about what I did yesterday, which is day 27th. So that's going to be uploaded as what I did on day 27th, and this is going to be uploaded as what I did on day 28th. So yeah, if we get into what I did today, yeah, yesterday I stopped working with like there was a problem when I stopped working, which was I was like going back and forth and not understanding properly about these two. There were two ideas that were on my mind, and I felt like both of them were game changers. I felt like both of them were like killers. They were superb ideas, but I couldn't understand how to like which idea to go with. So I asked Gemini if I what would happen if I just make both the apps and then publish both of them. Obviously I know that it isn't gonna be the best case scenario for such a thing, because obviously like my focus is gonna be on two different things, and it's gonna eat up my time, and it's gonna eat up my money as well, because um, the reason money is so important for me right now is because I don't have much money, right? I mean, I have like $200 as the maximum budget for this. I have to make this work. I have to do something, right? I have to keep making videos, and right, I took it down. And all right, now let's talk about what I did today. So I talked with Gemini. Like today was mostly talking with Gemini. I didn't build anything or do anything like that. I talked with Gemini. I built these. I like solidified the ideas I came up. Like I just mixed some ideas and made it really valid and a strong product. And then I also like talked with Gemini, and then I asked him like what are the weaknesses of the app, what is like what the success rate is like, and what everything else is like. So there was a huge conversation with Gemini today. Let me just show you, because this this is like a really big conversation I had with Gemini today. Like not just yeah this was like I talked about this yesterday as well, but yeah, I had a big conversation. So first of all, before I show you the chat, um, like I told in my previous, like I told, there are like these two ideas that I'm like working on, like these two ideas that I think are really good, which is like you upload this chat, which you upload screenshot of the chat, and then you get what's the risk rate, how the chat is going, what the tone is like, and etc., like how you can respond to these messages, something like that. So I did that. I had that idea, and then I had this idea of making a AI girlfriend, which is like Babe. I made a prototype. I made like a small test app for this thing as well. But now what I wanted to tell was that today I mixed both those ideas. What I wanted to do, like yesterday, I found out that when you have these AI companion apps, those are heavily restricted both on the App Store and the Play Store, and are also heavily restricted and heavily regulated when it comes to marketing, like Google ads, of YouTube ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads. All these four type of ads are heavily restricted and heavily regulated when it comes to AI companions and AI girlfriends and synthetic girlfriends, whatever also the niche which is like solving the loneliness problem is also heavily regulated. um, I don't know why this is like like regulated as much, but yeah. So what I wanted to tell was basically, so I wrapped my app more like a self improver, which was like to improve confidence. Like you get to talk with a girl, and then it tells you what you should be doing, and like how you basically get the practice. And then I also mix this idea of like analyzing the chat, which is also to prove that this is like a not just an AI companion. This is more like a what should I be telling? More like a app that helps people overcome loneliness, build confidence, go talk to girls in real life. But before you go and talk with those with those real girls, I think it is really important you have some sort of practice. And also I'm targeting every sort of person that I could, including nerds who doesn't have practice, and people who are with loneliness problems, and people who want synthetic girlfriends like gamers and stuff. So like there's a broad market because I'm mixing two features. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I feel like there's like a huge chance that this works. There is one thing that I did today. I understand, like I tried to like figure out the like I mix those two ideas. So now from now on, how this app's gonna work is when you open the app, you're gonna see like a conversation that you're gonna be having with the AI, that you're gonna be having with the app while you're talking with the with this AI or with the app. It just spots your mistakes, and then instead of just telling it in a message, it just puts like a watermark thing, or like a bubble, or like something that is like a icon that you can press on. And when you press on that, you can just see what are your mistakes, what are your like why shouldn't you be asking that question, or why should you be asking such a question. This is to improve the confidence and to make this more of a wellness app, instead of making this a instead of making this like AI companion, because I can market it properly. um I have this, now imagine I get it, and like you click on that, you see your mistakes, but in a message, the AI replies to your message as it is a normal thing, and you won't feel anything in the message. But you purposefully click on this icon that lets you see how you should be texting instead, how you should be what you should be asking, why you should be asking this particular question, because is it like why you should be telling this particular stuff. Does it harm your confidence, does it make the women uncomfortable? When you click on that icon, you see all that. And if the AI doesn't spot anything when it comes to the icon, and uh, imagine the AI doesn't spoil anything, your messages are perfect, you don't see the bubble, you get a perfect message. And then, oh wait, I mean, I might keep the bubble, and then when you just click on it, they might see this. This is great, greatly done, your message is perfect, something like that. So we can do it. Instead of just not having anything, we can do that. And that is one of the things. And the other thing that I want to talk about is, um, let me the other thing that I want to talk about is the other feature which helps the users, like you upload screenshots of the chat, or you just copy and paste the chat. Then the AI analyzes it and tells you how the conversation is going and stuff like that. So this is also to make this app more like a helpful companion, so that users doesn't leave the app. This keeps the users keep the app, instead of just like shifting. You practice here, and then you talk to a girl, you take screenshot of the chat, and then you upload it to this app. And then the app tells you what you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing, and why you should be doing this and why you shouldn't be doing this. So that is the other feature which I think is really important. And so I got it down. And yeah, those are the things. I mean, I talked a lot with Gemini. Let me just check if I have anything. Yeah, I talked about, like the problems, like the success rate and the failure rate. The failure rate was much higher, but it was like 50-50. It wasn't like much high, it was 50-50. So I talked about, I asked you to why these reasons, and what the reasons might be for failures and how I can fix those and stuff like that. So today, after this video, I'll be working on, like building the app in a better way, correcting Babe. First of all, let me check the domain for the Babe. Yeah, Babe AI Companion Lava app. Yep, that is a great domain. And something that I figured out was while I was doing this was that you have to, when you're prompting Lava, you have to find out your name first, what the name of the app is gonna be. Also, one final thing I want to tell before I end this video is that I am planning to make UGC videos for the app as well, by making a new Instagram account and a TikTok account and a Snapchat over YouTube. I can market it like entirely through here as well. So yeah, I'm planning to make the UGC videos for the app as well, and I think that is all I have to tell today. I did some pretty decent stuff. I talked about the risk, the success, the um, what else, like how to improve the app, like what the future of the app is gonna be like, um, basically stuff like that. And then I also talked about, oh damn, oh yo, the battery is 5. I didn't see that. Yeah, how to like just like it's called Trojan horse positioning, when like you just wrap an app around something that it, I mean, can't say that it isn't, because I'm just trying to make it as smoothly as I can, like help make an wellness app, mostly to make it a wellness app. So yeah, I don't know about that, and I have no idea much of this stuff, or like how to tell, like I don't know how to put it into words. So yeah, I think that's all I have for today. If I get another chance, I'll make another video, but I don't think today I'll probably have another chance. It'll mostly be tomorrow. Yeah, see ya. The time right now is 4:19 p.m. It is 4:19 p.m. That is what you just saw is the time, right? So yeah, so what I wanted to tell is that I was working on my this app Babe, and I uploaded this thing where you this message where you can, like, I gave it like 10 photos and uploaded this prompt, and then I also uploaded this when this prompt, which means the users don't have to wait for a lot of time. Let's just try this out. So I'll type a message. First of all, let me put on this screen recording thing so that I can show it to you on the video. I'll just move the camera a little, and then alright. Right, I asked for a picture. I send the message. You can see it, yeah, I know, but like the spelling sucks, and there you go. It gave me a picture, and let's try to send another message asking for another picture, right? So there you see, I asked for another picture, and oh greedy are we. So this is how it replied, and I don't know, I'll just ask for another one. This is what I sent. send me one please. And then there we go, I got another selfie. Also, I told in this prompt, like this prompt that I gave, I told Lovable that the photo this user is sending should match the conversation they're having. So let's try to do something different. Do you go to the gym? Because I uploaded a picture of the gym. Let's see if Lovable gives me a picture of the gym. Like I asked, do you go to the gym? And you see here, yeah, I go 4 times a week. Yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna ask send me a picture of you in the gym so that I know if you go to the gym, right? And there you see the message. And oh damn, told you I don't like. What do you think of my workout fit? Now this is like an issue here. So I didn't expect this. I expected the app to work really well. I expected the app to work like awesome. Like I thought it's really right, but it isn't. There's an issue. So if you look properly, I asked for a picture of like when you're in the gym, and then you send me a picture of you in a hotel. Looks like one of her previous dates. Um, yeah. So let's try to connect our Superbase for this app, uh, so that we can verify our users. And then this is like one of the basic things to keep improving on the app. Otherwise, it'll be so hard to like improve the app. So what I'll be doing is I'll be closing my Lovable app, and then I'll be going to my Google, Chrome, and then I'll be I'll go to Lovable from there, and I'll go to my Superbase at the same time, so that I can make a new account, make a new what do you call, I don't know, let's sign in with GitHub, and then so project 1 is post. Let's resume the project, and yeah, let's connect this app to project 1 as well. So babe is your AI companion. I'll move the camera a little bit so I can't see properly. Yeah, let's ask babe to connect uh, connect this app to Superbase for authentication. Yeah, connect this app to Superbase for authentication. Give Google login and sign up, and also email logins, and even the option to create the account with the email. Also keep in mind that sorry, users who sign up once the scenario sign up again, they have to just log in with the information they gave when they were uh, signing up. Or is there anything that I need to correct? I know my spelling is awful because I was typing fast. some of these words are missing, and then yeah, we'll just send this message and let's test it out when things are like I don't know, when you yeah, let's later test the app, because right now what I want to do is connect Laravel. So you could see he's asking the questions. In the meantime, let's just go to our project and let's go to the connectors. Because I'm not sure about how we did this. I am can't remember the exact same thing. Add profiles with display name, fill out at sign up or Google. Just email Google accounts. Yeah, I'll just confirm this. Let's go to all connectors and then let's go to GitHub. Not GitHub, sorry. Let's go to Superbase. There you see Superbase. Actually, let's just wait till this I don't know, like modifying Superbase, modifying database whatsoever. Let's just wait till it is finished, right? Yeah, let's wait till it's finished and then let's use Superbase. So something I like found out when I was working on this thing, when I was testing these apps, are that I need to improve this photo thing, because I have to make some more photos and then I have to like get some let's say I don't know, like I have to make some, like I have to have at least like 50 pictures if it goes on like this, because I know like men who uses these apps, who use these kind of apps, like want like really good pictures, and they not just want really good pictures, they want a lot, like they also, the pictures have to match the conversation as well. That is like really crucial. Like you saw earlier, I asked a picture when you're in the gym, and then I got a picture when you're in the restaurant, when you're in a hotel. So I don't think I don't think that it is something. Oh damn! Shit. So my labels are a credit. You could see this message. So you could see this message, and my credits will renew in 13 hours, so I won't be able to do anything about it. And let's go to all connectors, and then let's go to Superbase, and then let's click use Superbase. Yeah, can't do anything because here it wants a paid plan. um I'll make another video on why I am, choosing to make it in the free version. Let me just take down that as well. I'll stop recording, and then yeah, it is saved there. Let me take this down, which is to make a video on why I use the free Lovable plan to make the app, right? It's not I'm not gonna actually use the free plan, so yeah, I'll make a video on why this is the reason. And yeah, that is all for today. I think that's gonna be all that I'll be doing today. I got the recording, and I think it's time to close. It's time to close this thing, and then yeah, to do something new. I'll close my laptop as well. um I'm going to go to my desk and then do something. So I made a few videos today, and um yeah, we'll we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so I made a few videos today, and I think this is like gonna be all for today, because I really don't know like what's gonna be next. Yeah, so see ya. So that's all for today. Probably this is all gonna be one video, like I said. um um yeah, so I hope this is all one video and everything's put together. And when I'm gonna be saving them as different videos in the folder, so in the pen folder on today's date. So yeah, that's all for today. See ya.